Быстро, блядь. Хуесос нахуй, блядь.
Crap! What? I was just sucking up dust. That was it. Just.
Бьешь.
Oh, look, there it is.
Он нашелся,
I mean,
ебать.
you know, some of it, it's.
So that's why it broke down. It was your fault.
Oh,
And you promised him you'd fix me!
А
thank
ты
you.
пообещала ему, что ты починишь
You
меня.
put me away for life in here!
Я мор, блядь.
Аббас! Нас высосали.
Сосунок.
Вчера жена моя носом в головах. Ого.
Бля, книга ты ебаный.
You wanna get back to Rose?
Yes.
You wanna talk to your daughter?
Yes.
Then you need to climb the vacuum together.
Oh, come on.
Why are you doing this to us?
Because you two must learn collaboration.
That's not our strong
Коллаборация.
point.
Aha! You know, collaboration is the key to a successful relationship. Huh? Collaboration. You understand? Now, I'll see you later. Hasta la vista. Good luck.
Bye bye now, crazy book.
This would never have happened if you hadn't broken it.
Oh, yeah? Well, this would never have happened if you had fixed it like you promised.
Well, I didn't know we'd end up in a place where our vacuum cleaner's alive.
Well, now we are. Huh? Maybe we're stuck here forever.
Forever? No way. We're getting a divorce.
Окей,
I
да.
know we're getting a divorce, but we can't do that unless we get back into our real bodies.
Hey! Let's climb that damn vacuum cleaner.
Чего тут?
I wonder where that annoying book even came from.
He said Rose bought it.
He doesn't sound like a bookshop.
А вы полис.
Блядь. А, вот.
Doesn't sound like a bookshop to buy.
А башка.
Like pretentious self-help book you'd buy.
Bana gelip de. Adam gördüm bunu.
Блядь.
To Rose.
Одежда потом.
Oh, no, no.
А мы.
Хера, достанок беда.
А, блядь.
Стоп. Это не так работает.
Babe,
А, руку надо.
jump inside the hose.
Oh, try not to
Ah.
hurt me.
Сейчас. Бардым. Бардым. Так, кнопка отым была мына. Ага, ходай. Вентилятор кіллет.
Понял. Привет, подымча.
Привет, А, блядь. Это их не... Эмэ, блядь, платформер.